What is up, guys? With my homie A-Triz, aka Tristan. Our plan for today is we are going to go hit up Buc-ee's to top off on gas, and then after Buc-ee's we're gonna go to the one in Waller, which it's like a 20-minute drive to get there, just to have a drive. And then after Buc-ee's we're probably gonna hit up some twisties or some windies. Over here in Houston, it's hard to find some roads like that, so but we're gonna do our best to try and find them. He said he found a route that looks entertaining, and we're gonna try it out. So yeah, I'll see. I don't know if there's gonna be much talking, just because this video is mainly for just so y'all can experience riding and stuff like that. It's more of a chill video. So yeah, that's our plan for today. Hopefully the footage turns out good. I readjusted my GoPro a little bit. My GoPro actually fell off yesterday, so I had to refine the angles and all that. So we'll see how the footage turns out today, but I guess I'll catch y'all whenever we get to Buc-ee's to give you all a little update, and then whenever we're leaving Buc-ee's, I guess that's where the video starts, depending on where we decide to go. Oh, beautiful slide of Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's is legendary. If y'all ever visit Texas, y'all need to go to a Buc-ee's. They have so much good stuff there. Like beaver nuggets. Come on, man. Why are we like this? Every single gas station pumper here is just taken.
I didn't think this place was gonna be so busy.
I didn't either.
Dude, that lady hijacked my pump.
I know, I saw that. I was like, are you serious, dude?
I had that one in my brain.
Huh? And I'm full.
Do you want to do the Somerville ones, or that road looks like fun, and it's definitely not as sketch.
I don't care, we can do whatever. Well, there goes Buc-ee's. On to our twisties. Alrighty, guys, we are about to start the twisties. Just got off the freeway, pulled over so we could plan our route a little bit, and now we're going down this road. This road leads, it's like a big long circle, and it leads back to 290. So we're gonna see what this road's all about. A lot of people recommend this road. So here we go. Oh. are going to take it slow because this is our first time taking this road, so. Deer in the road. Yeah, whenever we were slowing down, I saw a rock fly up and just nail me right. It either hit my helmet or my visor. I don't know which one. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of shit on this road. This is a nice break from the highways because me and him usually do a lot of highway riding. Doing these twisties, it's nice. It makes you trust the bike more. Christ, there's so many things that are popping. I mean, it's back roads, we're expecting it. I'm glad we're looking out for it, but Jesus, man. Downhill too. That was a cool little area, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the conclusion of that little route. Great route. Love the scenery. Everything about that was good. That was my first time properly doing twisties. Because I've gone on it before, but like I didn't really like, I was just cruising, literally cruising. That time we were kind of pushing it a little bit for our riding experience and not knowing the roads. But overall, that was great. That was fun. Now we're probably just gonna cruise back home and call it a day. Hopefully that turned out well. So look at my boy, S1000. Oh, that's a beautiful bike. The one thing I love, the carbon right here, that's what I love, and then the chain adjusters on the rear. We just got chain adjusters for both of our bikes. Spot on. I highly suggest chain adjusters. That concludes this ride, guys. That was a very fun little route that we found. So if y'all enjoyed that, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. If y'all are in the Houston area, let me know if y'all know any windy roads like that we could hit. I know a couple, but I'm interested to see if y'all know any others. So if you enjoyed the video, show the support, guys. Thank you.